Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name is Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used Peugeot vehicle. Electrify your drive with the Peugeot E-208 50kWh GT Premium that is fresh in stock and does come complemented in the vibrant and contrasting Alexa red paintwork. This fully electric vehicle does offer a range of up to 225 miles and can reach 80% charge in around 53 minutes using a rapid public charger, complete with your Mode 3 Type 2 cable for wall box charging, alongside enhanced visibility with your LED headlights, stylish 17-inch alloys, and even your parking sensors, reversing camera and power folding wind mirrors for added protection. The boot offers plenty of space to accommodate your day-to-day items, whilst the luxurious part leather interior offers further comfort with access to your central power outlets. Stepping into your front, you will find your GT multifunctional steering wheel with access to your Peugeot iCockpit and central touch display screen. With again, you do have your sporty lime green stitching and part leather trim. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls, including your options to navigate around your Peugeot iCockpit, displaying all of your EV energy information with your range just to your left hand side. You do have your built-in navigation system to assist out on the open road, alongside enhanced performance with your sport, normal and eco modes. Again, you will find access to your built-in navigation, complete with your points of interest to get you around those unfamiliar areas. You do have a wide selection of radio stations and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Alongside your driving functions, you do have access to your 180-degree colour reversing camera that does even come complete with your zoom view mode, so it is ideal in those tighter parking spots. And as a fully electric vehicle, you do have your on-screen charging information, followed by your complementing piano black lock keys below, handy power outlets and cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.